Hello, so back again for another episode of Sheila Show Me. Today I'm going to show you how to work the rock and roll bed on our TCC VW. I don't know if you are aware, but we make our own Thompson Camper Car Volkswagen bespoke range. So I'll show you a wee bit about it as well while we're at it. So the rock and roll bed that I'm referring to is the downstairs as such, because you do have your pop-up roof, but this is how you make up the first and second berth of the Volkswagen here. So it's a pretty simple maneuver, the rock and roll, and it's a matter of reaching down for the lever down here, and you grab the first section of the bed, and that comes out straight. From there, you're then going to grab this bar down here. So for this final section, you can do it from in here. I'm going to do it from back here, so that's a bit better angle for me, but you can do it from in there, and it's a matter of just pulling the lever down here on the side. And there we have it. Bed made up. So there we have it, short and sweet, and that was how the rock and roll bed works. If there's any other things you'd like to see out of any of our other vehicles, you know, it could be a Burstner, it could be a Swift, it can be anything at all, let me know and I have no problem showing you, and I'll see you next weekend.